Bitcoin pumped about $9,000 in a day. It's looking nice. We're on our way to that 52K mark I was talking about before. Ethereum's doing nice over 17, which is making the mining even better. So to give you an idea right now of what the mining looks like, I just took a withdrawal yesterday because I had to buy a new power bar because my other one wasn't grounding and electrical shock was just shutting down my computer. So um, unpaid balance 23 US. I'm in Canada, so that's about 30 bucks. Estimated daily about 36 bucks. So weekly about 250. Monthly about 1100 if it keeps up. And the prices are supposed to keep rising, so I would assume this will rise. Things, of course, settle, but that's the payout structure right now. So I'm hoping in a couple weeks to get another 3060 Ti and add to that. Oh, a little more money. Within 2 to 3 weeks, anyways, things come up and it takes a little longer sometimes to buy a card, but I do want to have another one within 2 3 weeks, and then I want to buy another one within 2 3 weeks of that again. So I'm trying as hard as I can to build this up as quick as possible while the prices are still pumping because this is awesome. I still haven't seen an alt season yet. It's like the Bitcoin dominance. Look at that. Bitcoin dominance has been between like 61.5 and 62. Now it's up over 63. I really haven't seen an alt season yet. Normally, when you see an alt season, you see the dApps and stuff, but gas fees are high, so no one's really using the dApps because it's just not worth it. Everything's looking pretty decent. Litecoin's actually up pretty decent as well. It went up like 20 bucks yesterday. XRP still, well, that's mediocre. I wouldn't touch XRP and I wouldn't touch Doge. Because Doge will come crashing down once they're done pumping and dumping it. So be careful with those coins. I would be careful with all altcoins in general right now, because if there is a little bit of a lull in Bitcoin, everything's gonna start sagging a bit, and things will drop. And but we are on a good decent pump right now. We've got about 200 days left of a bull run, and there's always up and down swings. Even more now with quick couple $1,000s up and down. So if you're leverage trading out there, make sure you play safe and make sure you have a lot more in your wallet than you had before when you're trading for backup. And don't go 100x unless you got a lot to back that up. Especially with the way these swings are, because it could drop down to 40, and then if you had even 10x, you're fucked. If you have 5x, you're fucked. So you got to be able to drop that shit down to like 2x. So make sure you have a lot to back that up. I'm not trading right now because all my money's going into mining. But once I have a little extra cash, then I'm gonna put in a long, but I'm gonna set a low leverage long and leave it for a few months. So play safe, and I'll see you in the next one.